Welcome to our Microsoft Word tutorial series. In today's video, we will show you how to convert an image into a Word document. Let's get started. Start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer, then select Blank Document. To insert the image you want to convert, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Click on the Picture option in the toolbar. This will open a File Explorer window where you can browse and select your image file. At the top left corner, locate the File tab, then select Save As, then click Browse. A new dialog box will appear. On the dialog box, click on Save as Type, and choose PDF to save it as a PDF file. Then choose where you want to save your file. It's time to convert it to text. Go back to Microsoft Word, go to File and select Open. Then locate the PDF file we just saved and open it. A dialog box will appear asking your confirmation to convert the file into text. Click OK. Now that the image has been converted to text, you can edit and format it like any other text in Word. You can change the font, size, color, apply styles, and even add tables or bullet points. This gives you full control over the converted text to match your document's requirements. And there you have it. Now you can effortlessly incorporate images into your text-based documents while retaining the flexibility to edit and format the text. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.